Shisngi shwa baka kanhun jokari India bat ka Maldives kini khun hakajing lekai football friendly match hakani kanong ba Shillong kabalong ru kasin baningkong ya baro artli ki kanhun ya lekai hakani kanong ba ki coach bat kirang ya lekai jong kini ki kanhun kilaya kandu ru ya kinong pathai Khubor ban panpau ya kajing Khmih Lynti jong ki hakani kajing khun laksha ka sngi khat khanda trek leber 8,000 arpusan ha madan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong kini ki ar kanhun ki kermen balung ba kajing yo lat ka jongki banyale kai hakani ka jela kanai mensim mikiri dan sab hakani ka jajing le kai bakin yo mensim bakin la ban kiu hakajing le kai football.
I would like to thank the organizers for all the hospitality over here, and the match is a preparation match for our qualification match against Philippines. We are playing against Philippines on 25th, and before that it's a preparation match for us, but it's an important match for us too, because in this region India and Maldives are the strongest sides at the moment, so I hope it will be a good match.
We know it will be a tough game. It will be a good fight for both the teams, and we are prepared for our qualification. It's a good match.
We'll take questions from
this team, because the country don't participate national. The players, the team don't play national team as a national too much. So how tough for you to beat this team?
No, it's not a. It's not a tough challenge for me, because I have been with these players for a long time, so I know them very well, and I know their strength and their weakness and how to work on them. So even the players, they will have confidence on me. They have been with me for a long time, so it's not a big problem that we don't have league at the moment in Maldives, and we play so much internationals in these 2 years. It's not a problem. We are very much prepared for the match.
What is the scenario, football scenario in Maldives compared to the international arena? Where the country is supporting much, because in India we going more important to cricket.
Actually, Maldives is a football country. Each and every island has a pitch, almost pitches like this turf pitch over here. So it's a football country, and even from the government and all supports football. So for us, this match is important for the people of Maldives, and we will give our best for this match.
Next, there is a rumor that Maldives has requested for. It's maybe a rumor that the organization has requested for a change of venue, and are you very comfortable now in playing in here? And also, you have a very important match coming next 25 against Philippines.
There's no problem playing here. The problem is traveling difficulties. This was the problem. It takes 2 days almost from Maldives to here. So this was the problem for us. It's not playing in Shillong. It's not a problem for us. We are comfortable with.
And all that training are all managed?
Yeah, all are done, and this is a big step before that. So if this goes well, we will have very much confidence on Philippines match.
Well,
Please take the mic, ma'am, before you ask.
Hi, I'm Khuborjylla. I'm the editor of Meghalaya News 24. I want to know how do you see the field out here? Because this is the first time you are playing here in Shillong. So how do you see the field, the ambience, everything?
I didn't go to the grass field yet, but you have good infrastructure surrounding here with a turf pitch and a stadium over here. So it's nice to see. I don't know the condition of the grass pitch over here yet.
We'll take the question. Is Sunil Chetty coming up from retirement pose a threat on the Maldives national team?
Yeah, this shows how serious India is because Sunil was retired sometime before and he has called again to the national team. So it means India is very serious about this game, and so we are very serious about this. Every international counts, so we will be taking very seriously.
Any question? Wait for the mic. Raise your hands. Wait for the mic. There are two right in front of you right now.
Sorry. How do you find your opponent in the soil of Shillong?
India was one of the toughest team in Asia, South Asia. It will be a good match for both of India and Maldives.
Are you confident of winning?
Now we'll try our best.
Probable lineup for your team in this friendly. Probable lineup.
Actually, we will decide that after the last training, but there's no hidden things. We played against Bangladesh last month. There will be very few changes from that team, and that's it.
Is it the same team?
Yeah, almost same. This team almost together for last 4 or 5 years together. Very few changes in the team.
Shillong is quite unpredictable, in fact. So, are you prepared for this unpredictable climate? Because now you can see this is quite windy and you never know. It's quite unpredictable. Are you prepared for this unpredictable climate?
Yeah, when we came, we knew that it's cold and even it will be windy, and most of our players has played a lot of internationals in lot of venues, so they will have this experience and they will handle it. No problem.
Friendly game. Preparation for the official game, and in a similar situation than Maldives in this case, but they play in Philippines. And obviously we want to win, obviously. But we know that the target in not only now during the former FIFA windows was or is to arrive in the best conditions as possible for the first game, first official game against Bangladesh on Tuesday.
Mehta, your thoughts on tomorrow's game?
पहला तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, प्रैक्टिस एंड ऑल बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है और पहला फ्रेंडली मैच है और हमारा फोकस है दोनों गेम पे स्टेप बाय स्टेप। और पहले कल फ्रेंडली मैच है, उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के साथ है, तो उस पर फोकस है स्टेप बाय स्टेप। अच्छा है।
We've been practicing very well. We have 2 games in front of us. First, we have a friendly game against Maldives, and we're taking things step by step. And then we'll face Bangladesh in the Asian Cup qualifier. They are all important games, so yeah, we're preparing very well for both the matches.
We'll take a raise of hands for questions. Yeah, ma'am, we'll come to you, sir.
Hello, coach. Welcome to Shillong. And coach, so tomorrow is a friendly game. So, what's your plan? You are going with your full strength squad, or are you going to testing your bench strength?
Good question. Still 24 hours for the game. I don't think that we will play with the same team that we will play against Bangladesh. But obviously you cannot play with 11 players tomorrow and 11. But you can, but maybe it's not the best if you want to prepare the game. No? But I'm very confident in all the players, and doesn't matter. It's not very important if you play this or play that. I think that there has to be a good game, good preparation for Bangladesh, and obviously some of them will repeat on Tuesday, but you never know what will happen during the games.
Well, coach, how do you see, tomorrow is a friendly match, but how do you see the overall game? Will the team take it lightly, or how do you see the overall game to happen today? Because this is the first time you are playing here.
I know, yeah, and I like a lot this place. In fact, I know a lot of former players. Even I work with former coaches that work here in Shillong. Even Shillong Legion has players that were my players in Hyderabad. Then I know that is a very nice place. And I repeat, someone asked me this question yesterday. When I watched the Durand Cup in Shillong during, it was July or August, I don't remember exactly. August, no? I said, wow, the ground is very good, the crowd, the atmosphere was very nice, and I said it would be good if one day, I'm not joking, it's seriously, it would be good if one day the national team can play in one ground with very good conditions and with this crowd that I think that will be a lot of people supporting India.
What is your expectation?
About?
About the match tomorrow, what is your expectation from the crowd?
For the crowd. Sometimes it's a mix, it's a 50-50. It's the crowd obviously has to cheer the team, but obviously the team has to give them something. Finally, I think the chemistry between the crowd and the team is very, very important. Not only in the national team, in every team, but obviously because it's the first time that India plays in Meghalaya, I think, not only in Shillong. The atmosphere will be very good.
Next question.
Hi coach, this is Khmih. So just want to ask, is the fan favorite Sunil Shetty will be performing tomorrow?
I was prepared for this question. He will play, let's see. For sure some minutes he will play. I don't know if will be starter or will be from the bench, but I think that he will play some minutes. No, we allow in this game there are allowed 6 substitutions, then 17 players has the possibility to play, and I think that Sunil will be one of them.
Is this return boost the morale of the young players, the coach? Is this his return boost the morale of the young players like him and many others?
But I repeat the same in my former press conference about this. Is the national team is not about the developed players. Developed players is they have to arrive. The main team we need to win games, and if we need to win games, we need to call the players who are in a better shape. And obviously, Sunil, of course, that he helped the young players. But I think that if you check the scorers in ISL, it's very clear who is the Indian player with more goals. Doesn't matter if he's 20, 40, or if he's my grandfather with 87, who will be here in the national team.
Next question.
My question is to the coach. What do you see the future of Indian team in football? Because when we talk about fans, we have